Hey guys, it's Jeremy here from Strongman Structures. I wanted to just jump on here and do a quick video of a big portable garage that I just sold. And it is a 14 by 24. So I think it's pretty cool. It's big enough to make a nice workshop out of it. The buyer that came and bought it, he came actually to buy a 12 by 20 or 12 by 24. But when he saw this one, 14 wide, and the height of the roof inside, the ceiling, he was really impressed with it. So here it is. Nice heavy duty flooring, as you can see. You could literally park a car on this floor. These floor joists are 2x6s, and they are spaced every 12 inches. And then the subfloor is a legacy flooring, so it's premium subflooring, and it's 3/4 inch tongue and groove. Look how tall these rafters are. I've got my hand stretched out here, and it's still a good probably 2 feet above my hand. So nice and tall ceilings. It has a radiant barrier on the ceiling. See that? All of our buildings come standard with that. And then this building here has vapor barrier on the walls. And vapor barrier, what that does is it keeps the wall from sweating with the variable temperatures from inside to outside. So like if you're going to insulate this building here and keep it air conditioned inside, the temperature's a lot colder inside than what it is outside, or vice versa, a lot warmer inside than outside. That vapor barrier will keep the condensation or the moisture from wanting to wick through it. This one here has a little additional feature that I ordered when I ordered this for inventory. It has kind of a little loft in it, so it's got some overhead storage. Typically, like our utility buildings like this one is, it wouldn't have that in it, but it could. So that's included on this one, and this one also has an electrical package. It's a 125 amp breaker box, which we could do a 200 amp if you needed that. And then it has, of course, you can see the lights, the wiring run up there. Lights are running overhead and outlets on the walls. Nice and high. You could put a workbench in here and plug in. So yeah, this would make a nice hangout for guys. And we also make a 16 wide. It's not a true 16 wide, but it would be a foot wider on the inside even than this. Maybe even a little bit more than that, because this one's a 14 wide. So yeah, check us out if you guys are interested in buying a portable building. We have 2 websites. One of them is strongmanstructures.com, and you can see all of our inventory by clicking on Vanceboro inventory. And I also started just a 1-page, like a landing page, where you can also design your own building, or you can see all of our inventory. And that one is easternnCsheds.com. easternnCsheds.com. And that is the one that I'm advertising on the radio. So I don't know if you've heard our ads on the weekends. But anyhow, this building also has, so on the outside of it, it has a metal roof. And it has a Craftsman door on it, which we also have these with little windows. And it has LP Smart Siding as the siding. I don't know if you guys are familiar with LP Smart Siding, but it is a very good siding. The manufacturer of it, which is Louisiana Pacific, LP, they have an extended warranty up to 50 years on it. So if you guys want a good product, this is just a good product to put on any kind of a building. They even make the siding, the same siding. Of course, it's a little different for houses, but it's still LP siding. They make a lap siding, which is really pretty. And it actually looks like vinyl siding, which we can put on our buildings too. If you have a HOA that requires vinyl siding, or a siding that's similar to vinyl, from a distance you can't tell that it's not vinyl, but it's a lot more durable. And most HOAs will allow it because, you know, from the road to the street, from the neighbor's property, like I said, you can't tell that it's not vinyl siding. And it'll last a lifetime, it really will. It's not like vinyl that cracks. Anyhow, I'm located in Vanceboro, downtown Vanceboro. Come on down and check out our buildings if you want to see them in person. They're always unlocked. So if you want to just come here after work, or on a Saturday after hours, or on a Sunday, which we're closed on Sundays, but the buildings are still open. Come and hang out. We've got some pecan trees there, so we got some shade. If you get tired of walking around this big lot, you can hang out on the front porch of one of my buildings in the shade. Maybe you'll find a few pecans you can pick up and snack on. Anyhow, my name is Jeremy, strongmanstructures.com or easternnCsheds.com. Let me know how I can help you create your ultimate backyard and your ultimate building. All right, talk to you guys later.